Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin the grind immediately. Load the 1v1 map and confirm server rules allow item spawns. Next, choose a stand with high mobility so you can reach spawn points fast. This matters because the hotspot gun appears briefly. Once done, optimize your HUD. Bind quick keys for pickup and swap, and make sure you're at full health with at least half energy to survive initial clashes. Move toward the usual spawn corridor and watch spawn timers closely. Being first increases your odds. Now you push to control the hotspot area. Position yourself to deny sightlines while keeping escape routes. Use short bursts of movement to sweep crates and corners so you can spot the gun the moment it appears. This is why mobility and quick binds matter. Once you glance a crate, decide fast, pick up or feint to bait an enemy out. If contested, use peeks and poke damage to force them back. Once they retreat, close in immediately and secure the pickup before they recover. Finish strong. After grabbing the hotspot gun, move off the spawn by a few meters to avoid immediate trades and swap to optimal attachments so you're combat ready. You want to convert that pickup into a kill or zone control, so use cover and maintain mobility. This is why immediate relocation matters. If an opponent disarms or steals it, don't tunnel. Reset by leaving the hotspot zone for a short interval and then recontest with a flanking approach. That reset often forces predictable enemy positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.